Good morning students, I am Anshul Sharma, your educator for UGC NET Paper 1 from Vineet Pandey classes. So, हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे calls receive करे कल. Students were very anxious and they wanted to know what was the trend, what was followed by UGC, what were the hot topics, what were asked, what will be asked. So I decided that let us make a review so that हम थोड़ा सा शान कर दे आपको that how was the paper. सबसे पहले तो let me tell you paper था कैसा. Students definitely ask it that okay we performed well in our shift or we didn't, but what all was the basic trend? So I would say paper was from easy to moderate. I wouldn't say it was difficult. Yes, DI was calculative, paper was lengthy. I saw students were anxious because they told us that किसी का computer shut हो गया, कोई बहुत late पहुंचा because centers पे time पे नहीं पहुंच पाए. So small errors were there, but I would say paper was doable, and if you perform well and if you study hard and आप ये topics जो मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ, and if you focus on that, I'm sure you are definitely going to crack JRF. सबसे पहले let us see what all are the important topics in paper 1, and उससे पहले let us see why paper 1 is extremely important for you. So you know that paper 1 के अंदर if you perform well, then to achieve JRF you come even one step further, because paper 1 helps you to upgrade your score even better. Paper 1 के अंदर you have 50 questions, 2 marks each, that amounts to be 100. If you perform well, look at the gap which you can cover for that, because you know that paper 2 is tricky, it's crisp, it's to the point and sometimes difficult as well. So it's easy to perform well in paper 1 and put your heart and soul in it. So paper 1, now let us see the important topics, and I'm sure UGC is going to target on these topics again and again, because the trend is being followed by UGC, and we see that these are the topics that are asked every year, every time. So let us see what all are the important topics. So teaching is the most important topic, I would say, because you guys aspire to be future lecturers. So teaching and levels of teaching is a hot topic. Every year, every time, we see that a lot of questions are asked from levels of teaching. Key behaviors and helping behaviors was a topic. This year, this time, we observed that बहुत ज़्यादा questions आए थे. Students were very anxious that बहुत time बाद, after pre-COVID and everything, paper is going to be conducted and it will be extremely difficult. But no, we saw that paper was okay, and teaching was a topic that was targeted again and again. We saw assertion and reason questions from teaching, from ICT and from other sections as well. But I would say teaching ke andar we saw 5 to 8 questions and they were doable and easy. Methods of teaching, levels of teaching, key behavior, helping behavior are the topics that are again and again targeted by UGC, and they are important for you guys. Communication. We know that communication is the most important skill you guys need to inculcate in. So that is why UGC also targets on communication. Barriers of communication is a topic. Barriers of communication is a topic that UGC targets on, will be targeting. Trust me, it is a very, very important topic. About 5 to 6 questions or maybe 8 is asked from communication. And barriers, classroom environment and types of communication are some of the important topics that UGC targeted this time and will be targeting. Then research. Research is a topic that is going to help you even every time in your life, even further. If you want to become lecturers, you're going to do your PhD. Research and your knowledge in research can never stop. So the more you study, the more you will learn. The ethics is a topic that UGC targets and definitely is going to target. This time also a lot of questions were asked from ethics, quantitative research, positivism, post-positivism, types of research is a topic which is extremely important for you to and revise it thoroughly, because small difference होता है, but all these researches are extremely important for you. Then ICT, as you know, it's a digital era, fast pacing है, किसी का फ़ोन कभी नहीं छूटेगा. So गवर्नमेंट के भी बहुत इनिशिएटिव्स हैं जो एजुकेशन एंड डिजिटल एरा को मिक्स करके, सो दैट एजुकेशन बिकम्स इवन मोर ईजी एंड वाइड रेंज हो जाए, डिजिटल ग्लोबली हो जाए. So that is why government keeps on bringing these initiatives, and they UGC test your knowledge as well, that are you guys aware about it. That is why ICT and higher education is a topic which is very important and you guys should focus on it. Then memory level and hierarchies. Hierarchy say you saw multiple questions from hierarchy, match the following, or maybe assertion and reasoning, and binary conversions as well. Trust me, there was a question from binary conversions. बहुत time से नहीं आया था, but this time there was an assertion and reason question, but binary question था, binary के बारे में था उसके अंदर. So ICT is again important, and उसके अंदर memory hierarchy, please do that because we saw questions in every shift. Then Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Also we saw that in the previous years, UGC used to ask full forms like FTP, ATM, but nowadays full forms के लिए they are shifting from full forms, and assertion and reason questions are asked more and more. But this time though they asked full forms for FTP, ATM, and also email was a topic that you saw in your exam. Higher education. As I told you, government is bringing more and more initiatives, and they are becoming digitally, globally, they're expanding. So these are the topics that are targeted every time. These are mostly the schemes are asked. Also NEP is extremely important. NEP 2020 questions will be asked from this topic even, you know, आगे भी, because it is extremely important. Also this is fresh. Government is going to bring even more initiatives, and UGC is going to test you for this. Then Gyan, MOOC, NIRF rankings. Rankings is extremely important. Trust me, every time they ask questions from this. NAC ranking, Swayam Prabha, Saksham. These are the schemes that UGC asks from you every time, and they try to test you. Ki, are you updated? Do you guys read newspapers? It is extremely important to read newspapers. Then mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning may say we saw questions from ratio, clock. Yes, we had questions from clock as well. Distance, as you all know. Family relations is important, but blood relations. But there was not much questions were asked. I would say that distance, time, and income and expenditure ratio, averages, is a topic that you guys have to focus on. People and development, a topic जिससे सब बच्चे डर जाते हैं, because सबको लगता है current affairs इसमें से ही आएंगे. So it's extremely important to read newspaper, keep yourself updated. Different COP 26, COP 25, different जो schemes हैं. All these are the topics that UGC definitely targets and will be targeting. Climate change, hazards is a topic जो इस बारी बहुत questions थे. Ozone depletion is a topic जो UGC targets every time. This time also they targeted on it. Then SDG, MDG, you all know this is the topic जो कि UGC can never leave. It is extremely important for you guys to remember all the SDG, MDG, the goals, the initiatives, and also hazards. This time questions from hazards were asked too. Then DI, data interpretation. So DI was calculative. I must say you guys need to solve one DI daily, otherwise you would not be able to perform, because DI was calculative. You guys need to practice one DI daily, and we saw that earlier bar graphs was in trend, but now there is tabular form that is in trend. That too, ratios. In ratios, and it becomes difficult. It was time consuming, lengthy, but I would say that if you practice it, then it was manageable and doable. Comprehension. Students were anxious about this topic, but let me tell you, it was doable and extremely easy. तो नहीं कहूँगी, but it was easy because किस पे आया आपका comprehension? COVID. We all know COVID is the hot topic. COVID and e-waste management. You got your paragraphs from these and it was doable and nice. Then, Indian logic. One of the most important topic. Students are actually scared from this, but this time UGC was gracious enough. PYQs were extremely important. Those who solved PYQs, I think bang on, सारे questions solve हुए होंगे because कुछ भी change नहीं था. Copy paste वही PYQs same आए थे इस बारी. हेतु, प्रमाण, फून were the topics that were targeted on. Also fallacies is extremely important for you. If we see overall कितने questions आए थे? Research में से 5 to 8 questions were there. DI डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन से 5 मार्क्स वर योर्स अगर आप लोगों ने रेशोज एंड एवरेजेस ढंग से प्रैक्टिस किया होगा. देन एजुकेशन में से यू सॉ 3 to 5, टीचिंग 7 to 8, एनवायरमेंट 6 to 8. बचे हुए क्वेश्चन यस थोड़ा सा तो आपको चैलेंज करने के लिए पूछेंगे, डिफिकल्टी लेवल इंक्रीज करते हैं. JRF इतना ईजी होता नहीं है. एंड करंट अफेयर्स थोड़ा सा यू गाइज नीड टू फोकस ऑन इट. कभी कभी पूछ लिया जाता है. सो ओवरऑल आई वुड से पेपर वॉज मॉडरेट, डूएबल. आगे भी यही होगा. थैंक्स टू UGC इस बारी पेपर हमारा हो गया है, अच्छी तरह हो गया है. एंड आई वुड से कि और भी मैं वीडियोज़ आपके लिए लाऊंगी और ऐसे ही पढ़ते रहिए. एंड इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. फोकस ऑन योर पेपर 1 एंड पेपर 2 एंड जस्ट क्रैक JRF. थैंक यू.